Hi. So today, it's not a picture of a candle. It is cooking. I am making bacon. I'm making like hamburgers or something today. I have like this in there. Hiya. Nothing like the smell of spice or whatever. And I realized I don't have any tongs. So, fingers? Huh? Ah. Ouch. I can take some pain from the kitchen. But anyways, so today started my vacation, which was really fun. Ooh, I have salad tongs. That works. Today started my vacation from work, so that's cool. And then so I'm just cooking. That's what I'm doing. What is it? It is 5:49. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna make some hamburgers and tater tots maybe? I don't know. So I'm just cooking for 2 people. Bacon. I'm gonna flip this bacon. Can I do that on camera? Let me see. Ah, shit. Oh, that's hot. Okay. Okay, I'm turning that down. Just a little bit. As I have grease burns on my arm. But, you know. Whatever. So yeah. I don't know what else I'm gonna put with it. I also would like to get my guinea pig out today and see if I can have him run around. I don't know if I have any cheese though. I have cheese sticks. Should I incorporate cheese sticks into this meal? I just came up with the best fucking idea ever. Stuffed hamburgers with cheese sticks. I'm fucking doing it. I'm doing it. Alright, so I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna get these together. I'm gonna show you guys it. So, 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna crank. There we go. Do you cook them medium high? I don't know. But I made them. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. Other than that, trying hard not to eat that. Whatever. So, I guess I'm gonna let that get hot. I could grill these, but that's a lot of work. I'm not sure if I'm into that. But there we go. Okay. So I'm gonna place it down. I think I can only do 2 at a time. Can I do all 4? Oh, I fucking can. There you go. Step 1. I think they have to cook like 5 minutes per side. I don't know. Hopefully I don't get sick. We'll find out tomorrow. Okay. So I'm gonna cook these and assemble them. I wanna make them spicy. Hot. Like really hot. So, alright. I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. Alright, so it's almost done. I'm so excited. Look at that. They kind of look like meatballs instead of hamburgers, but what can you do? So I'm just like letting them, like with the cover thing on, so like the cheese melts inside and it's gonna be like amazing. So, and then I'm gonna drain some of the grease, probably most of it, and then like toast the buns on it, so it'll be like a crispy bun. And I'm gonna like put cayenne all over the bun, so it's like really hot, and it's gonna be amazing, and I'm gonna have so much fun. Okay, so nothing's working out right now. It's like, come on. So I had to pour myself a drink because I am like pissed off. So first of all, I burnt the buns. They're like black. So I'm like, God damn it. And then the second, I looked at one of them and like the cheese inside is not even melted. It's just like a big chunk of cheese just in it. Just didn't melt. So plan B is some mozzarella. It smells really good though. I promise. I'm a good cook. I promise. But he's like, you set the smoke alarms off. I did. I set the smoke alarms off. But they turned off. Ah, what the heck? I just want to have a peaceful night. It's okay. I'm going to make this, I'm gonna eat it, and it's gonna be good, and then I'm just gonna go do something to help me relax. Like watch TV, I don't know. But it's the first day. First day of my second vacation, and I'm gonna be doing like literally nothing. I have no friends. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be pretty good, so let's see. God, how attractive am I gonna look eating? It's really good. Okay, it's cooked. I was afraid of that. It's cooked all the way through. The bacon's good. And the cheese is good. And it's just good. So, I applaud. I almost just choked and died. Oh my god. I applaud myself. This is like really good. And the homemade Cheetos, excellent. The homemade Cheetos, I think they're the best I've done ever. So, yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna fuck the camera. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna eat this because it looks so good. Sorry. I feel like all the cayenne pepper like got in the air and it's like burning everyone's eyes. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I'll be back. Bye. Come here. He's scared. Come here. You're doing it. Come here. Come on. Come here. You little shit. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. What? Come here. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What? Huh? What are you doing? What? He's gonna like start eating the carpet. Oh, he's getting really close to my face. Please don't shit or piss on the carpet.
I can't believe we're gonna lose again.
Look at you.
Wow, pretty close game, huh?
Oh,
It was.
what is that?
Don't lose hope, girls.
Huh?
This is a
What is
brand
that?
new inning with no outs. Anything
that your
is possible,
food?
So let's get out there and win.
Don't you bite me.
Well, this is fine, right, girls?
Because I will smack you. I will smack you. Alright, so that's it for today. I'm just... What? He's over there. He's like eating the ground or something. Look at that light. I ate the hamburger. It's pretty good. It was alright. I just feel like bloated though, like beet sweats. Is that a thing? What are you doing? Whatever. And I'm gonna play with him for a while and figure out whatever to do tonight and how I'm gonna occupy my time. I'm gonna do literally nothing, I think. And maybe that's okay. Maybe that's okay. So, anyways, I will catch you guys all on the flip side tomorrow with Mr. Ted. Mr. Ted, this is your time to shine.
They're gonna blow it, right? Big time.
It is your time.
We gotta support him, though.
I don't know. This is not comfortable. I promise. Alright. Bye, guys.